Big update for the drone mapping community. WebODM has officially split from OpenDroneMap and now offers free one-click installers for both Windows, Mac, and Linux. No coding, no command line, no more headaches. Just one-click install. Huge shout out to the developer behind WebODM for making this accessible to everyone. Here's how to download the installer. Head over to webodm.org. On the homepage, click Download. If you're using Windows, select Windows, then click on WebODM Installer, version 3.2.1. Once it downloads, simply run the installer. If you're on a Mac, click on Mac OS, then select the Mac OS installer. Once it finishes downloading, simply run the installer on your Mac. And if you want to support the developer, you can click on WebODM Lightning and sign up for their pay cloud processing service. New users currently get 150 free credits to get started. And just like that, you now have a lifetime photogrammetry software you can install on all your machines and use to process unlimited drone projects, with no subscriptions, no monthly fees, and no expensive enterprise software draining your wallet. Whether you're creating maps, Orthomosaics, point clouds, 3D models, or Stockpile reports, WebODM gives you full control of your workflow without being locked into recurring costs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. If you'd like to support the channel and help it grow, click the three dots, select Thanks, and choose your contribution. Any amount, no matter how small, is truly appreciated. And don't forget to hit the like button. It truly helps the channel grow. If you need extra help or get stuck at any point during the installation, you can scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the video description to join my Discord. That's where we can collaborate together, and I can help you troubleshoot any issues you might run into. You can also support my videos directly from your phone. Simply swipe left, tap the Hype button, and choose your Hype points. You can also tap Thanks and select a contribution. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And go ahead and watch one of these two videos next, so you can continue learning and growing in this field.